My name is Dr. Alex Shore. I am the owner of Signature Smile Arts here in Homewood, Illinois. We do same-day service, emergency service, and we pride ourselves on family-oriented care. We handle everything from pediatric dentistry to full arch implant smile reconstruction. We're different in the sense too, is like our technology. We have all the most up-to-date equipment, software, and most up-to-date tools to make the experience a lot easier for the patient. I got into dentistry personally because dentistry changed my life, and I wanted to help people accomplish that same goal every single day. You know, in dentistry, it's a very collegial thing. Who do you use as your lab? You really need to try out Vitality Dental Arts. The first case I got came 4 days early. It was perfectly packaged and fit like a glove. No stone left unturned, detail-oriented, and we've had great results. I had a really difficult veneer case that Jerry Sr. personally FaceTimed me and went over the design because I thought it was an error. He did a video chat with me and he said, "This is gonna look weird, but this is how you make this perfect." I didn't ask him to do that. I didn't even ask for him to work on the case, but he took the initiative to do it. And that was from that point on, you know that from the top of the line down to the bottom, everybody in Vitality is focused and detail oriented. The integrity of the work is great. The patients are thrilled with the work that I've been doing through Vitality, so it's only gonna ramp up and it's an exciting future. It only goes up from here.